K-12 curriculum is something very nice after I have given it a thought, because at first I was a little bit hesitant, reluctant to accept it because it would really mean additional years for the high school. However, as years passed by and as I listened to the talks, I saw the beauty in it through the assessment, the knowledge, the process, the understanding, and the performance or the product that is expected from the students. So I think there's something beautiful in it. What is not beautiful there only is about the curriculum. It is a little bit difficult for the students considering the spiral curriculum. Imagine all the four disciplines in science, all the four disciplines in math will be taken up every year. Unlike in the past that there is concentration per year. For example, sa Gen Sci in first year science, bio, chemistry, and physics, right? Now, with the K to 12, it's spiral. So, each quarter, there is one discipline. So, science first quarter, second is bio, third is physics, chemistry, and fourth is physics, all in grade 7. Come grade 8, it's still the same thing, pero moving to the next unit, there is a tendency for some students to forget already. That is why I'm a little bit puzzled about it, because not all students are that adept. They cannot really remember what it's all because of the disturbances around you, the modern technology, the noise around you, and so forth. We are preparing for the grades 11 and 12 for high school, because definitely come 2016, if it will push through, we have to be able to provide these graduates of grade 10 to go to grade 11. So we're now doing our part. We're preparing for it. Though there is the news that the Supreme Court might issue a TR of the temporary restraining order about it because of the many people who have been commenting about it now. Before, they were never commenting about it, but this time, they're so vocal about it. We're waiting for the results, but just the same, we have to prepare. Well, yes, because basically we cannot limit ourselves to what you have been having each year. We wish that we can come with other activities which will really develop you further. We have to provide different activities. Kaya if you will notice, each year we try to introduce something new. So whatever activities we have been having, like for example, the winner roast, I told Mrs. Luceda, now let us include yung cooking demonstration. Next time, I want it to be a sort of table presentation by each class. So at least we see if there is really an application of what you have been learning. And also, we have the personality development. You see, you are not being asked to talk on stage, complete with your attire, because this is really preparing you for the corporate world when you will finish. We have to prepare you right now about it. A lot of activities we should be preparing for. Transferees. Of course, transferees, we really have to work hard with them because considering that they are transferees, they are adjusting themselves. More or less, they have their point of comparison, comparing us with the old school where they came from. So whatever they have with them, whatever has been developed in them, they're bringing it in, which may not be in accordance with what we want for the students. So definitely there are those transferees who are good and who are within the mission vision that we have for the students. But there are those transferees who are really having problems because they cannot adapt themselves to what we like them to follow. follow because they came from other schools already. But then, I don't want to give up with them. I wish that we can really pull them to our side, complying with our mission vision, and that is to develop you properly and accordingly according to character, academics, and behavior. To the new students, we welcome them with open arms because we wish to be of help. They have a reason for transferring. Whatever is the reason, we try to find out as we interview them and as they go along with us during the year. So we should welcome them. However, it has to be emphasized to them and to be emphasized also to the old students. You have to abide by because we have our program for you and we wish that we should be able to share with you the development that we want you to have to prepare you for your